In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make checkbox required in Docusign 2026, 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into your Docusign account. Once you're on the home screen, click Start and upload the document you want to send. This can be a PDF, Word file, or another supported format. After the upload completes, add your recipients by entering their names and email addresses. Double check spelling here to avoid delivery issues. When everything looks right, click Next to move into the tagging screen where you'll place fields on the document. On the left-hand side, you'll see the standard fields panel. Locate the checkbox field there. Click and drag a checkbox onto the page and drop it exactly where you want the signer to interact, like next to a consent statement or terms acknowledgement. Zoom in if you need precision and use the on-screen guides to help line things up. With the checkbox selected, look at its properties. Turn on required if you want to force the signer to actively select that box before they can finish. This is ideal for a single acknowledgement, such as confirming a policy. If you're offering choices or need to control how many boxes can be selected, use a checkbox group instead. Create a group by placing multiple checkboxes and assigning them to the same group name, then set the validation rule. You can require at least one selection, exactly one selection, or limit the maximum number of selections. Group validation ensures signers can't skip mandatory choices or select more than allowed. Add clear text labels next to each checkbox so signers know exactly what they're agreeing to. Keep labels concise and unambiguous, and align them visually with the corresponding box to avoid confusion. If your document already includes printed text, position the checkbox so it aligns tightly with that text for a clean look. When working with multiple checkboxes, select them together and use the alignment and distribution tools to make everything straight and evenly spaced. Consistent spacing not only looks professional but also helps signers complete the form quickly without second guessing where to click. When you're satisfied with placement, requirements, and labels, click Save and finish your document. Docusign will enforce your required settings and any group validation rules during signing, prompting the signer to correct anything they've missed before they can complete the envelope. That's it. You've configured required checkboxes the right way, whether it's a single mandatory acknowledgement or a controlled set of options. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you set up your next document.